Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is excellent off-campus hiring for fresher and experienced candidate, which I am talking here, and this is for the profile of forward deployment engineer at .gi, right? That is the company. And first talking about the compensation, job location. So this is on-site role which is based out of Bangalore HSR layout, right? And there it's a 6 day a week. So there are two type of offers they have. One is the internship and in the other is the full time. So if you are a pre-final or the final year student, they are offering internship between 80,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per month stipend, and on site and negotiable for exceptional candidates. So if you are even better candidate, you can go for higher salaries. And similarly they have full-time role also available, right, for 0 to 2 year experience. So all of 23, 24, 25, 26 batch students can apply, and 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs CTC on site in HSR layout Bangalore will be offered, right? That is what. So basically first about this, they have the platform which automates L1 and L2 ERP support, which helps in reducing resolution times. So they are basically startup companies. They are a tier 1 venture capitalist backed. So they are having live customers, which include some of the Fortune 500 companies. So Dodge.ai is building basically enterprise automation platform for ERP, and they are spending lot on getting consultants are onboarded. So they are helping enterprise in IT and application managed services teams to automate basically incident management and configuration management for all the SAP solutions, SAP landscape, which will help reduce maintenance cost as well as improve system reliability. So they are basically AI powered ERP automation. Now what they are looking is basically somebody who is full stack 0 to 1 builder who has shipped to a production, right? So you enjoy being customer facing, and you can earn trust by person who delivers. So they have a genuine, they are looking for somebody who has a genuine curiosity and agentic product experience if you are 0 to 2, and the freshers if you are going for internship at their location. What they're looking is strong judgment, and you should have a good workaround way of working to fix the root cause, and you should communicate clearly and directly. You can explain trade-offs to both engineers and operation stakeholders, and you should be accustomed to picking between hard option and pushing through it. What are you are going to do is owning customer deployments end to end, discovery, integration, rollout and expansion. So you should be able to maintain writing clean codes, maintainable codes across backend, front end on all of the data layers. And you should also be designing APIs and data models that are simple, robust and easy to extend. So this is very good role, and you should be using a lot of logs, traces, etc., like metrics, basically to understand the behavior in production. And you're building customer enablement tooling, right? Deployment run books, rollout checklist, triage consoles, etc. And you'll be working with the production data stores and writing queries, right, and diagnosing issues, validating outcomes, and which impact the customer environments. So any experience in modern GIT workflows, CI and automated test, etc., will be important. And working comfortably with cloud infrastructure, containers and basic networking concepts, participating in code reviews and raising the standard for quality of the team. And good to have skill will be if you are having some experience with ERP support or application managed services team or IT workflow operations, right? Any familiarity with SAP, softwares, SAP landscape, and the enterprise change management will be a plus. Similarly, any knowledge on the building secure integrations and data pipelines will be highly useful. So translating messy customers specific workflows into repeatable and products will be desired, and designing practical data workflows since implementation needed to support deployments and other product feedback loops is part of it. So benefits, as you see, competitive pay is provided to them, and even if you are working good, you will be getting shares. So equity option is also there, as you see here, and you will be working with the founding team, and you will get exposure to real AI automation. Now, if you're interested to go for these positions, this is the direct link in the description box. You can click from there and you can get into this position. So that's all I have to cover in this short video. Thanks for watching. Please to subscribe channel to get similar updates.